Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today it's actually going to be, again, I had talked about this in the previous video. We used candle wax, but this time I'm going to use oil pastel, so you just get an idea exactly how to use it. So I'll explain everything, but before that, if you are visiting here for the first time and if you like the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you get notification as and when I release my videos. So now coming back to the painting, the main thing is what I would suggest is there are many other repellents are there where you can use it for watercolor painting, but this is one of those where you don't have to struggle with water repellent characteristics. So one of them, what we did is we used candle, but that was for a different situation. This time I'm actually using oil pastel. So oil pastel, actually there are other ways that you can actually use, other places you can use to just to reduce your effort, because if I were to sell a painting, what I would have done is I would have not used oil pastel or otherwise even a candle, because over time, because of humidity or heat, it might melt and then it might change the surrounding or the edges. So keeping that in mind, I would have used drawing gum or the gum for covering that particular area, masking fluid. If not, I would suggest, if you are actually starting off with something, and even though if you put it under glass, but still it makes sense for a longer time duration, that way how you are going to save the painting. So for this painting, what I've done is I've applied, you can see in the beginning there is some round circle is there, which is with the oil pastel, white oil pastel, and then I went ahead and painted exactly how I wanted to paint, because that represented very bright sun. I didn't want to leave it as empty. So if not, I should have done negative painting. I will also do some negative painting, so you get to know the effort where it goes depending on the type of painting you choose. I'll also do one more, because I'll do one with masking fluid as well, so you get to know the situation where you can use to enhance your painting. But the only difference that I see from my experience is that if I'm using if I'm storing for a shorter period of time, or maybe I'm not selling the painting but I'm actually selling prints or something else, so during that time I'll just use it as is, or otherwise I can just sell that as one greeting card and then anyone can buy it depending on the size. So that, if you keep that in mind, and then we'll try to do something else with the oil pastel as well. I'll show one some other situations where you can actually use them, that will actually reduce your effort. So as you can see, all I have done is with that white, everything is sky, colorful sky, and then the foreground is very dark, so that I can give that boost or the brightness of that sunlight. If not, I would have not given that brightness, because as you had seen in the beginning, the white of the paper and then white of the oil pastel, they just match. You won't be able to differentiate between them. So keep that in mind. And then if you like the painting, similar one, last painting also we did one of the one with candle with waterfalls, the easiest one, because there is one more painting on my channel, which is with a little bit of gouache rubbing with watercolor. It's with a mist effect. I'll also put that link at the end of this video. Watch till the end, so you will have the links to watch those 2 or 3 videos which are related to this, so you will get an idea exactly how to use them. But the one with masking fluid, I'll be making those that video in future, so just keep an eye on those, and then you'll get notified. So having said that, you just try it out and then let me know how it turns out. It's an easy way of actually blocking certain area where you need that brightness. And then if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this and share this with your friends and family, and then I will see you next time.